Let's look at this question. If x is a real number, then under root log e blah 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 is a real number if and only if. Now see, when this question had come in the exam, I have a student with whom I had discussed that whenever there is an e in the question, I leave it because the cat never asks you about e. After the exam, he came and confronted me. No, there was a question on e. But if you notice, this has nothing to do with e. This is a simple definition of log question. Now, if this number has to be real, this portion under the under root has to be a positive number. Okay, that thing, if you can get it clear out of your head, it also means that log e 4x minus x square by 3 has to be a positive number. Additionally, do we also know a non-negative number, not necessarily positive, non-negative number. Additionally, can you also see with log, this portion has to necessarily be 1 or is a positive number. So if this has to be a positive number, if I take this option, if I take x as 0, e raised to any power will not lead me to 0. So this option is eliminated and this option is eliminated. Now we are left with option 2 and option 4. The only thing I had to check was whether it works for 3. If I put it as 3, I would get log e 12 minus 9 by 3 or log e 1, which is equal to, has to necessarily be equal to 0, and this is perfectly possible. Therefore the correct option has to be 3 here. The only thing you needed to know was e is a positive number. What is the value of e? What are the expansions of e? I don't know that. I don't care for that because CAT has never tested us on e, and I don't want to learn anything that is not necessary to be learned.